Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be working on taking some pictures for my Etsy shop. Now, I'm going to try a couple of things because I am going to reopen the shop today. As you all know, it's been closed for the holiday season. That is over now. So I'm going to retake the pictures and try to change the strategy. I'm not very good at taking the pictures. It kind of looks really good on the camera, and then when I go to edit them, they just don't look like I thought they would, and they don't match. They don't look all the same. So I had purchased this a long time ago. This is one of those little LED portable studio things to take pictures for products. I got this a long time ago, maybe like 2 years ago, and I haven't used it yet. So I'm interested to see how this works. And I also have some other paper that I think I'm going to use. I just want everything to look more cohesive because I am planning on switching over to Shopify. I just want to have those pictures instead of having to take pictures every single time I have a new product of the whole line. Just take one picture of the new item and have it match and look good. So we're going to be doing that today. Now, this video is not sponsored. I got this on Amazon, like I said, 2 years ago. I'll link it in the description box below if it's still available. Let's see. So basically what it is, it's like a plasticky, like a stand-up boxy thing that it's supposed to help you with the pictures that you're going to take. They look more professional, right? I hope so. So it just comes in a little, I mean, it's not a review, but I guess it is. And this cost me around like $12, I think. It was a long time ago. Okay. Alrighty. So I had opened this before, but I forgot I had like these cute little, oh. Moved over to my actual the office space, whatever. All right, so we moved to a brighter area. So I put this, I mean, it did come with a little pluggy thing, but we were in the middle of moving and I have no idea where it is. So I had to put this one on. It doesn't fit right, but hopefully the whole thing will go on fire before we finish this video. Okay, so, and then I put this little, you know, those inserts that it had inside. It had a couple of colors in it. So it has a space for the top to take a picture with it. And then it has, obviously, this. Are going to be on sale. And that's all I'm going to have for the Valentine February situation. For now, I might change my mind in 10 minutes, but as of now, that's how it's gonna go. So all these items that are here are going to be on sale at my shop. So you can check it out. The link and everything is going to be on the description box below. You guys know the drill. So let's see if this actually works. So I'm going to turn on the light. I have a switch thing, so just in case, you know, with the setup and everything, like if this thing goes on fire, I can turn it off quickly. You gotta prevent. You gotta prevent. Okay. All right. So the pink lights are not part of this. This is just the setup that I have for the desk. So it is pretty bright. Okay. I'm a little impressed. Let's see how... Nice. You know what? I am liking this. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of pictures and I'm going to see how it turns out, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So I took some pictures of the scrunchies, and as you can see, like, the quality is amazing. I love it. It's super, super bright, but it's not so hot for, like, I was gonna take pictures of stickers, and the glare just doesn't work for it. And also this is very small, so I was gonna take pictures of this ear set that has like a scrunchie and a mask, but it doesn't really fit in there. So yeah, so overall I think the light quality of this thing is really good. It's really, really hot, so I'm just gonna turn it off in a bit. I mean, it works great for small items, but it doesn't do me any good for the larger items. So now I have to find... I might just go on Amazon and purchase like a big light box, because this is nice. I mean, I like the way the picture shows, and also like these colors are like super vibrant. So I mean, it doesn't really matter where you take the picture, the colors are always really, really nice. So okay. All right, so let's figure this out, and let's see what I come up with. To show you how it looks after you took like maybe 5 pictures. It's already like falling apart. I mean, it has great lighting, I'm not gonna lie, but this part gets like really hot. So anyway, okay, so this was what I wanted to photograph again. So I actually went on my iPad, and these are the pictures that I have on my iPad. And I mean, I'm not mad at the pictures that I already had for this particular item. So I'm just going to keep the pictures for now. And then the pictures that I took of the scrunchies, I guess those I'm going to post on my Etsy page. It's a little frustrating because I wanted it all to look the same, although I do have other pictures of, I mean, you can see I have all the pictures of all my stuff on the thing. Like, for example, like this is a part of a set, so it fits really nicely. What I did was, for the picture that I was showing before, so this is just a rug from IKEA that I had purchased a while back ago, and I just put this on the table, and I put it in front of a window, and then I put the ears on top, and that's how I took most of my pictures, and it worked out great. But when you see all the pictures together, they don't look the same. Like, the colors were not really true to the ears. Like, for example, like the yellow would look off, and I know there's a way to fix it. I'm not there yet. I don't know how to fix it. So yeah, so I did that. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the pictures that I already have. I think anything that I could take now, I mean, it would be awesome if it fit in here because it's just so good. Yeah, but it's just, it's falling apart. Oh my god. I'm gonna hot glue it and see what happens. I think, I'm just going to keep it as is, and then later on I can get a bigger, like a soft box to make it all the same, because I noticed I do have to do quite some editing for these photos anyway, because I can still see the edges, like this thing, I can see it, which is not bad because I can definitely edit it, but I wasn't counting on that. I thought it wasn't gonna show, but it did show. So yeah. It's like 5 minutes later. I was filming a TikTok on my phone, and my phone actually works better than the camera. Why is that? Oh my god. Let's see. Like if I take it, I don't know if you like the camera is going to be able to pick it up, but and I can definitely get in there with my phone. Isn't that crazy? Tell me this happens to, I'm not the only one. Because here I am trying to take these super professional pictures and my phone is doing all the work for me. So look at that. I mean, it looks like 14 times better than it does with the actual camera. Unfortunately, like the other things don't fit in there, but am I the only one who doesn't know that? I'm shocked. I don't have to edit anything if I put it on my phone just like that. That's it. I don't have to do anything. I just have to crop it and that's it. Mind blown. Wow. Oh boy. So I've got this question before and I wanted to answer it. Because I mean, I don't know. I'm not very good with handling the camera. I've been working on it for a year, but I'm not that great with it. So, yeah. So basically what I use is this application. It's called Camera Connect. So basically what I do is I take pictures on the camera that I'm filming in, and then I switch to, you connect the Wi-Fi to the camera, and then the camera is going to send it to this application right here, right? And then from there I can see all the pictures that I just took. Well, right now, I mean, I can't close. And right there I can see like all the pictures that I just took. So the quality is going to reduce on the iPad because I don't know why it does that, but it does. So basically then I have all these pictures here, and from here I edit it to Etsy, crop everything, and then I upload it to Etsy. That's how I do it. I'm not sure if it's the right way to do it, but I know I do it that way. And then, like for example, if I have pictures on my phone, then I would just email it to myself from my phone, and then again I would open it on the iPad because it's just easier, and then everything is just uploaded to Etsy. I run my business on this iPad, and then I just go check on it on the computer. It's just easier that way. I don't have the app because I feel like the app doesn't really show you the quality of the picture, and then when I go on the computer it looks weird. So I just go on regular on their regular website. Yeah, so that's how I do it. So basically I have all my shop pictures here. Some of my TikToks I film on here. Most of them are on my phone because it's easier. And that's pretty much how I do it. It doesn't really take that long. I'm not sure if that's the way you're supposed to do it, but that's how I do it. I find that most of the things I do on my iPad. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. If it wasn't for that, to be honest with you, I would not know how to deal with it. It also has a feature where, on that app, let me see if I can find it. On the app where it says remote live view. So basically what it does, it turns the camera, it turns the iPad into a monitor. It won't work for video, it only works for photos. So when I'm going to take a picture, instead of like trying to deal with the camera, I just like fix it and make sure everything looks good and the brightness and basically all the settings. I just tap this and it works. So it's a lot easier. If it wasn't for this, there would be no pictures out there because I am not good with this camera. I don't know how to deal with it. I'm not that advanced in it. I just like the quality of the pictures, but I am not really good at taking them. Is what the pictures look like. As you can see, there's a couple of things that are on sale on my Etsy shop, so the link is down below. Just click on it and you will be there. But I mean, if I go in here, I changed the picture of that one because it just looked better. This one was the one that was previous to that one. This one just looks so much better. So I'm super, super happy with the way that everything turned out. Yeah. I'm just excited that, you know, I was able to do it. And now I can move on with my life.